Wildlife Conservancy. And the Lewa Wildlife Conservancy protects over 62,000 acres in Kenya that hosts many different species of animals, including 150 rhinos. A group of rhinos is called a crash, and they have real poor vision. They can only see about 10 feet in front of them. But they have real good hearing and a real good sense of smell. Rhinos are herbivores, eating plants and vegetation. They don't sleep that much during the day and the night, but they will sleep in the hottest parts of the day. Zebras, right here on the right-hand side. Zebras, they have a real powerful back kick that can break the jaw of their predator. But they are black with white stripes. They're black stripes starting on their snout. And they love when it rains. They love eating fresh grass. Rhinos, I love the rhinos. They're my favorite animals. I love them. They're so awesome.
Showing us the way.
Oh wow, right in front of us, Ron.
I see some cheetahs coming up ahead here. They're kind of hard to see.
Excuse us, guys.
In the lower left-hand corner and one in the middle of the landscape. Cheetahs, they can run up to 60 to 70 miles per hour. A group of them is called a coalition. And they're the only cows that have retractable claws. I see a baby rhino over here on our left-hand side. Right here, oh my god.
Couldn't even have his horn yet.